Three straight days on the trot and the market traction continues. So today we wrapped up the day at 13,133. The Sensex up by about 14 points, and this is despite having come off from the high point of the trading day. So made up for that, but the real action was in the broader universe, with the mid and the small cap indices gaining a solid 0.6%. Take a look at PSU banks today. That's where all the action was, nearly 5%. The media index gained well. Metals held out very smartly. You had PSE, auto as well as energy that were firmly in the green. IT was a little bit tempered, as well as finance and banks were down in trade today, that index. So that breadth was definitely skewed in favor of the gaining side. Let's take it straight then to some of the prominent outperformers in the markets today. Maruti held fort and in fact zoomed ahead at 77.39, 7% in trade today. ONGC had a terrific run. Hindalco, Asian Paints, NTPC, SBI, Bajaj Finserv, UPL also ran up today. Something like Coal India as well as BPCL, Titan, those were notable outperformers. On the flip side though, HDFC Bank a little bit tempered, SBI Life, TCS, Bajaj Auto, Infosys, those were a little bit muted. Let's take you through then some of the news makers in trade today. The RBI directed HDFC Bank to halt all of their digital launches as well as their new credit cards temporarily. This is largely on account of the multiple outages that the bank has been facing in their online services. So no incremental impact on the company, but nonetheless that was a newsmaker. SBI was in focus as CLSA has upgraded the target price. They see a deep value in the stock that has done well in the last 4 months. SCI divestment, some things are moving up on that front, with an ET Now exclusive saying that the Cabinet Secretary-led panel is going to meet next week, and they're going to be giving the final touches to the EOI for privatization, with hopes that domestic companies, foreign players and global funds show interest. The entire metals basket had a terrific run in trade today, and that's largely on the back of the JP Morgan report. They were very bullish on the entire basket, and they have raised the target prices of Tata Steel, JSW Steel as well as SAIL. So continue to remain very bullish on that basket. HDFC Life, Standard Life selling shares via a block deal. You had something like Bharti Infratel as well as Bharti Airtel in focus, as Nettle Infrastructure Investments acquired an additional 4.9% stake of Bharti Infratel. From the broader universe as well, quite a bit of action. In fact, that's where you saw the real outperformance. A nice 0.6% gain coming in, and that conviction within the broader markets only is continuing day after day. Adani Power shot up. South Indian Bank, terrific run. Delta was up nearly 14%. JSW Energy, MMTC, Indian Bank, BOB, Infratel, Uflex, Varroc Engineering, all in the green. On the flip side, Vakrangi, Supreme Industries, Metropolis, Fortis Healthcare, L&T Info, Adani Gas, ICICI Lombard and Varun Beverages. Tomorrow all eyes are on the RBI policy. Stay tuned to ET Now for all that big coverage.